Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Kraken. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Kraken website right here, kraken.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store, search for Kraken, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening up, the process is going to go exactly the same. Doesn't matter if you're using the web version or the application, it's going to go the same, because the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you're going to have the sign up option that's going to enable you to create one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally using the login button, and now we can go ahead and get started. So from this home page, we can go ahead and take a look at the sections at the top of the screen where we can go ahead and access the markets, and now we can go to the official stocks page for NVIDIA. So what we can do is go ahead and go to kraken.com/stock/NVDA. This is the NVIDIA stock page. From here we can get started buying. As you can see right here with the right side of the screen, you are going to go ahead and be able to have the buy option alongside the charts right here, where you can go and take a look at the previous prices, the current price, and so on, and how to get into it. So if you're interested and want to buy it, you can go ahead and enter in the amount you want to invest right here, click the buy option, and it's going to show you how many stocks you are going to go ahead and be getting and how to go ahead and add it to your portfolio. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.